Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung TV black screen. You are watching that the TV is in now off condition, it is in standby. Now I will power it on and show you how the black screen problems look like. The TV is on now and you are watching that there is no display, only black screen. Now I will gently knock the screen with my finger and you are seeing that the backlights are working but the panel is not. When the backlights flicker, it means that your backlights are working and your panel is not working. This is a UA40K 5000 AR model. Viewers, important thing that this method will work on all TVs irrespective of the TV brand or model. So the first step is to check T-con or scalar PCB for physical damage. I have opened the TV and now I am looking for physical damage on scalar PCB. This TV has no T-con. Look for PF or ICs may be burnt. But in this case we have all the things okay. Now if all the scalar PCB is physical okay, step 2 is to check DC to DC voltages. Put the meter on DC to DC range and power on the TV. You are watching our TV is on. Now these are DC to DC voltages in a Samsung TV. First of all, I will check the V in volt. It should be 12 volt. We look at the meter and it is 12 volt. This voltage is okay. Now move to the next voltage. It is VAA. It should be round about 15 volt. Now look at meter, it is 15 volt. So it is good. We will move to the next voltage. It is VGH. So viewers, VGH should be around about 25 volt to 35 volt. It depends upon model. The larger the screen, the larger the volts. It is 26 volt, so it is okay. Now the next voltage is VGL. VGL voltage is in minus, viewers. Remember that. I will check the VGL voltage. It should be minus 5 volt to minus 9 volt. It is minus 7 volts, so it is okay. Next voltage we have to check is VGHP. It is also called V on voltage. It should be from 27 volt to 35 volt. It is 29 volts. It is okay. Next we will check the VCC voltage. It is used for processor. It should be 3.3 volt. Now look at the meter. It is 3.3 volt. So viewers, all the DC to DC voltages are okay. Now what to do if all voltages are okay? The next thing we will do is we will clean the LVDS or flex cables and scalar PCB or T-con with a cleaning solvent. Try this method, viewers. In most of cases this will work because there should be corrosion on the points or flex cable pins. So with the help of a cleaner, we will remove all the corrosion and dirt. On the pins. I am using a cleaning solvent, viewers, and a toothbrush to clean the cables and scalar PCB. Now remove all the attached cables and clean them. I have detached the LVDS cable from the T-con side and now I am removing it from the motherboard side. Also remove any other cables attached on T-con board. Clean them all, viewers. Now I will clean them one by one. Use the same method as I am applying. And guys, believe me or not, this method will work on all TVs. If you have this type of problem when your backlights are okay and you have checked the DC to DC voltages and that's all are also good, then you have to go with this solution. I have cleaned all the LVDS cables and now I am cleaning the input jacks of T-con scalar PCB and the whole scalar PCB I am cleaning. Make sure to dry the scalar PC and LVDS cables before installing them again. This is a tip, viewers. Guys, if you have backlight problem, when you power on the TV and you can't see any backlights when knocking the screen, then you have backlights problem. I will share the video links in the description of this video on how to change the backlights of a Samsung TV, and also give the link on the I button. Now guys, you are watching that I have cleaned all the LVDS cables and scalar PCB. Make sure to dry them before attaching the cables again. Now it's time for checking, viewers. Now attach all the cables. Insert the cable fully. There is line on the cable, you can see. When it is in line, then press the lock. Now viewers, it's testing time. Always test it before assembling. I have attached all the cables. You can see that now I am plugging in the AC card. Backlights are on. I will lift the LED TV and check our display has come. Guys, you are watching that our black screen problem is fixed and display is okay now. Now it's time for final test. I have assembled the TV and you are watching that our display is okay now. Kindly share the video with your friends and like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.